Hello, my name is Asapa Abwe Cyrile, and I'm a youth and peace activist working for the Cameroon Center for Peace Research Initiative, Campuchia. And I got to know about Highupweb since I was looking for a place where I was going to develop skills on web designing to develop my organization's website. And that's how I came to Highupweb. And it's been over 2 months that I've been with them, and it's been an experience that I would definitely not give up for any other thing, because the training that we've received here are very, very practical, unlike other places wherein you have trainings that are very theoretical, and the magical mentality, which is mostly in our nation, Cameroon. And I've been able to go through courses of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even WordPress, and it's amazing how the teacher takes the pain to explain the nitty-gritties to the students for them to grasp and understand better the concepts and the practicality of the course. And so I would definitely encourage and recommend Highupweb to my colleagues and to other young people out there who would want to up their skills in IT, because if it is IT, it is Highupweb. Thank you.